Today I went out to work and I'm thinking, why the hell am I working? If I was home on the computer, I could be making boatloads of money. So I'm actually losing money by working. But it's all smile. It's been a very emotional day in the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I have so many trades going on that I can't keep up with. So much is happening. So I came home from work and I just got busy, man. I just started moving money around, But I will never touch the coin of Bit or Ethereum. That's my bread and butter, man. And thank God, because Bitcoin is breaking out right now. As you can see, and it has been since 6 p.m. By the way, my name is John Disk, and this is the Crypto Update. Excuse my sinus issues. I don't know what's going on. There's something in the air. It's 8:13 p.m. Eastern Time, and it's October 7th, 2017. The volume got made. Nothing was going on in the volume. Look, all day. It just wasn't not doing anything. And all of a sudden, when China woke up, and the whole Asian market woke up, which is 12 hours from our time, so it's like 6 a.m. Their time is 6 p.m. for us, and this is exactly when Asia's waking up and getting busy. And they're pushing the whole market. If you look at the actual markets, everything's been 62.5% of the trades are through the Japanese yen, and 41.1% are on Bitfinex. So it's all coming out of Asia, with the USA only trading about 21% of the market. They're just not driving the market. And Bitcoin actually looked like a desert all day long. It didn't move. I mean, there's tiny little dips, but nothing at all to speak of. The low today was 43.16, which isn't low. That's been the norm. It was actually a high from a couple of days ago, and today's high is $44.82, almost $4,500. So we broke out of that $4,400 ceiling, and then there was another ceiling at $4,450, and we broke out of that too. So everybody's that knows anything about cryptos, this is about to shoot to the moon. And Bitcoin is about to split again. We're about to have another hard fork, and we're going to have another baby, and this one's Bitcoin Gold. And that means people are going to be getting into Bitcoin now and hoping to get free Bitcoin Gold when it splits. That's what's happening. So Richard Hart is still predicting 6,000 by the end of October, a $6,000 Bitcoin, and $20,000.03 by the end of the year. That's Richard Hart. And I know some people don't like Richard, but he's been doing this for a long time. He's been mining. He's absolutely brilliant. He knows what he's talking about, and he doesn't base his stuff on just random shit that he pulls out of his ass. He actually bases it on fact, and this is why this is going to happen, and this is why, and it all adds up. So a lot of people don't like his style, but I like Richard. He's one of my top influences. Ethereum is also moving and shaking. We're going to come back to Bitcoin by the end of the video. Um, well, Ethereum was rocking and rolling. Right now it's only up 0.57% and sitting at $311.50. It was rising up big time right about the same time, 6 o'clock, 6:30 p.m. But it's adjusting right at the moment. And you can see here late last night we had a peak and then a sell-off with Ethereum. It's just a short sell-off. I mean, you're talking, what is this? $16. It would put, I mean, $16 is a lot with the $300 coin. Pretty volatile today with Ethereum. Not big, huge moves, but a lot of tiny ups and downs. We're going to Litecoin, and Litecoin, I don't know. It just doesn't seem to be. Well, it's up almost 1%, 0.99%. 52.50. And we must have had a tank yesterday or something with Litecoin. And you can see a big climb at 6 p.m. the same time. Eastern time. We're on Eastern time if I didn't mention that. It's October 7th. The crypto update is published every single night, 7 days a week at 10 p.m. Today's high with Litecoin 52.95 and the low was 51.41, so not volatile at all, pretty much horizontal until the end there. Let's go see what everyone else is doing. Things are good though. The market overall is looking good. We do have a couple coins in the red. But the top 4 volume coins now, today, are in the green, and Neo's way in the green at 7%. Bitcoin Cash is down 1.3%. So figure that out. I don't know. And Bitcoin Cash people just do things their own way. Not much volume either at 11 million. That's not a lot. In fact, everybody's volume seems to be falling, but the buyers are buying a lot. So first, second, third place is back to usual. It's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This is, again, volume. Fourth place is Neo. Fifth place is Bitcoin Cash. Sixth place is Ripple. Zcash is 7th. Monero is 8th. Omise Go is 9th. And Dash is 10th. Honorable mention would be IOTA in 11th place. The biggest tanker of the day, we have a tie. Zcash and Bitcoin Cash both lost 1.3%. Another bit of a tanker would be Omise Go, losing 1.1%. But these, 1.7 just now. That was a big trade there. But these are not big tanks. I mean, 1% is not. You can't even call it a tank. I just use that term. You know, a tank is when you lose 10, 12, 15% or more. That's a tank. But these are not tanks. They're just minor little adjustments in the market. Biggest gainer of the day in the top 10, far and away, goes to Neo, gaining 6.64%. And second place would be IOTA, but that's actually 11th place. That's where we sit at the moment. Bitcoin, don't forget, it is on a breakout pattern, and it has broken out. And I hope you bought in yesterday when I said buy in. I think we are going to the moon. To the moon. Hey everybody, my name's John. Come and tune in every night and keep yourself updated on the top coins in the market. If you want free personal advice, well, how much money you got? No, just hit me up on Facebook. I'm also in a lot of other social networks and specialized chat groups, and pretty much crypto has taken over my life, and I really don't mind helping people that have issues that they really need explained to them. And if I don't know the answer to your question, I will tell you, and then I'll go find out, and I'll come back and I'll tell you what I learned. How's that? There's no one more honest than me on the internet at all. Anyone. I don't care if it's the Pope. I don't care if it's Jesus himself. My honesty level is far and away higher than anyone that I've ever met. Peace, everybody.